My name's Tony Squyres. I work at Systems Fab and Machine. Been here going on close to 5 years, and kind of work in project management on the pipe side of the fab shop. Do some QCing and just anything that the pipe needs done. A lot of what I do is the day-to-day operations on the pipe side. When we get spool drawings from engineering, I will go through those drawings, mark them up how they need to be fit and welded out in the shop, put them together in work packages, kind of correlate with our field guys of their priority list, push them through to the shop as they need them in the field by priority, and just making sure. And then once they get loaded on trucks to ship to the site, kind of go out and take pictures and QC a little bit and make sure that everything looks pretty good. Honestly, I was unemployed at the time. I had worked for a company for a number of years, and they shut the doors. And I had worked with Elizabeth Nations before in the past, and had contacted some people up here that were working at Systems, and came up and did an interview and got hired for the position. But yeah, I was unemployed at the time and looking for a job.
What?
That's a good question, because I drive over an hour every day. One thing since I have been here at Systems that I have never experienced in over 30 years of the same field of pipe and everything is working for a company to where you are told on a regular basis that you are appreciated, and how much that means. It's just, I don't know if it's construction as a whole, but in the companies that I've worked for in the past, you might get told ever so often, but not near as much as you feel appreciated working for Systems. Safety, being in this business for over 30 years, not for Systems, but working in construction, you have seen how safety has changed a lot in that time period. And when I came to Systems, they were just as big, if not bigger, on safety than any other company I had worked for. They were, at that point, I've got the jacket on to prove it, they were so many years without a lost time accident. But yes, just from hearing other companies you work for and seeing their safety departments and then coming to Systems is top notch. Oh, most definitely I would. Once again, to be able to come to work every day and enjoy the people that you work with, it's hard to describe when you haven't, or explain when you haven't experienced that in 30-something years. But they always give you room to grow. You can come in and sweep floors, and they will give you a chance to train and to learn and move up in the company. But yes, and the benefits, they do have good benefits for those that need benefits. I would definitely recommend Systems as a company to work for.